So here's a quick guide on how to run a live stream. We've got an event in Ballroom B this weekend that has a live stream. So I'm at the Ballroom B booth computer. We've got our webcam over here. That's set up and ready to go. We've also got this Focusrite. This is going to do our audio. So more on that in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up YouTube. I've already opened it on my Student Center page. So we're going to go up here to Create, Go Live. So now we're on Go Live. You can already see in the background we've got the webcam feed going here. So I'm just going to type in test. You'll want to do whatever title the client wants. And I forgot to mention, when you go to YouTube, you want to make sure their account is signed in to YouTube. I've signed into my Student Center account just to do the test here, but you got to make sure that they sign into theirs so it goes to the right place. Now we have got the title. Then all you have to do is hit no, it's not made for kids. Then next. All of this is fine. Next. Then you're going to want to go public, but I'm going to do private just so nobody sees this test stream. So then we're going to click done. It'll show you one final screen here. It'll show you when it's scheduled for, the privacy, and your video and audio settings. That's the most important thing. So down here, we want to make sure our video source is set to PTZ Optics camera, which it already is, so we're good there. And the microphone should be set to analog 1 and 2 Focusrite USB audio. That is this audio interface over here. This is basically taking a full feed from the mixer and using that as your audio source. So once we're done here, we're going to click Go Live. And we're up and running. So that's the basic way to run a YouTube live stream. We can get more complicated with it through OBS, but we're going to be doing a pretty big conference with OBS next week, so I didn't want to mess with it. This is going to be your best bet. So we've also got down here with this black remote, if you need to change your camera settings, you just point it at the camera over here, and I'm going to pan it right. We do that, pan it back left. It's got to zoom in, zoom out. Just set it to whatever you think looks best. Usually they want the full screen as well as, whoever's on stage. But that's pretty much it for the live stream. The main thing you need to do is just make sure they're logged into their correct account and you get all your settings right, and then you should be okay. One thing that it has trouble with sometimes is if OBS is open. I made sure to close OBS, but if for whatever reason it's open, you just want to make sure you close that app. And I'm going to just type it in here. So OBS is this icon here. You just want to make sure that's closed, or else it can mess with YouTube's webcam system. So when you're done, I'm gonna just end the stream here, and good. Okay, so that was our test stream, and we are done. That's the basic way to how to run a live stream.